Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram web something went wrong problem or Instagram web not working. If Instagram web show something went wrong or Instagram does not load in browser, let's see how to fix Instagram web something went wrong problem. Basic fixes: refresh the page, close the tab and reopen Instagram. Restart your browser and restart your internet connection, and long page or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2, open Play Store or Apps Store, go to search Instagram app, update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3, restart your device and again open it. Again open your Instagram app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram web something went wrong or Instagram web not working problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.